Your brain's fried, scrolling endlessly, apps hijacking every thought, yet you chase likes from strangers who don't know the real you. Sound familiar? You open an app for 2 seconds and lose 30 minutes. That constant digital noise isn't just wasting time, it's rewiring your mind. Every ping floods your brain with dopamine hits it was never built to handle. The result? Brain fog, zero focus, and the quiet panic that you can't even sit with your own thoughts anymore. Constant pings from social media and notifications have rewired your brain for distraction. It's not weakness, it's overload. Curated feeds show perfect lives, but yours? A fog of half-focused days where real progress dies in the dopamine chase. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You don't need to delete every app or move off-grid. Most people won't anyway. The real problem isn't the tools. It's that you've trained your brain to crave distraction instead of depth. Deep down, you know it. That version of you posting highlights isn't real. When the screen's off, who are you? The one avoiding the mirror, faking discipline for validation that vanishes by morning. You say you want clarity, but when no one's watching, you still reach for the phone first thing. You like the idea of being disciplined, yet you keep feeding the same cycle. Your curated online self looks productive. Your real self, alone in the morning, is scattered. It's time to stop performing and start rebuilding. Stop deleting apps. Reclaim control with discipline that fits your life, no extra time. Just raw consistency. Who you are alone defines you, not the feed. Do these every single day. No perfection, just consistency. Use apps only with purpose, nothing mindless. Read real pages for 10 minutes in the morning and 10 at night. No phone for the first hour after you wake up. Meditate for just 5 minutes. Journal your honest, unfiltered thoughts. No filters, no performance. These habits steal zero extra time from your day. Stick with them for 2 weeks and watch the fog lift. Focus returns. Your mind gets quiet enough to hear what you actually want. These build the real you, unbreakable. You already know what fake discipline feels like. Now prove to yourself who you really are when no one's watching. Comment real if you're done faking it and starting today. Subscribe for more no BS resets. Who's with me?